Good morning, guys. I'm gonna edit my video right now. Later, I'm gonna meet with my friend Susie. We're going to the Christmas holiday market at Columbus Circle. My breakfast today is very easy and simple. It's basically just mango lassi. I put a lot of mango, frozen mango in there, and then yogurt, frozen pineapple, oat milk, chia seed on top. It's very nutritious and easy to make. Doesn't take that much effort. I don't know why my Siri just suddenly come up sometimes. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a little video editing for probably an hour or less than an hour, and I'm gonna head out and to go to meet my friend. Change of plan. I'm actually gonna make some lunch right now because I'm hungry. Today I'm gonna make a classic tomato soup. This recipe was provided by my colleague, Sumi. She brought it once to the concert hall, during the intermission. She was eating it. So I'm gonna do it now. These are all the ingredients I need. So I need chicken stock, a can of tomatoes, some black peppers, which I need to restock it, onions, crushed red pepper, and some garlic. Oh, I need some butter as well. Ow! I think I just cut myself. 好像没有哎。Oh, I think I almost cut myself. You know what? Change of plan. 太可怕了。I didn't cut myself, but this is very scary. So I'm gonna just put it in this chopping equipment, which my mom bought it for me. I almost cut myself, yeah. So scary. We have to be very careful with our fingers. So I just put it in here and okay. Oh, it's very, very convenient. I'm about to head out. Apparently it's really, really cold today. I think it's probably the coldest so far. It says it's -1 Celsius, but it feels like -11 Celsius. So I'm wearing something very festive, but I'm wearing kind of like a pajama and my frozen socks. All right, so I'm gonna go out and meet Susie at the Columbus Holiday Christmas Market. I look ridiculous. Still need to look cool. All right, I'm finally outside. I'm waiting for Susie right now, but I can tell already there are so many people in there. It's gonna be so crowded because today is Saturday. We'll see how long we can stay in there. It's just a bit too crowded for me.
We are doing the exactly same thing. I want to film you. 好想你哦。嗨。小房子上有雪，超可爱的。
I know. It happened at the right time, right? 哇，这样它很美耶。
超美的，而且正在下雪。
真的。
好漂亮哦！天哪。
这它可以再远一点。
它可以再远一点。耶。
Hot chocolate bar. That looks so good. 好冷哦。
好冷哦。
So cold. We're waiting for our hot chocolate. Huh? Oh, this looks so good. 好喝吗？ So good.
小心！你小心，你小心！哦，哇哦！
心快
冬之后的第一天下
哎，
雪
真的耶，
了
对，是冬之后第一天，哦，下雪
超大，
超大，而且超冷，可是地板超滑哎，
真的，对啊，
对啊，
小心。
刚刚好多人在那边滑冰哦，小心，它真的是可以滑呢，
真的。
今天晚上还要演出哎，我还是小心一点好了，
真的。
Hi all. I just got back home and I'm gonna make the cookies. Okay. So then after this, put it in the fridge for an hour. Not bad. I've never done tomato soup in a blender, so the first time. Go. I'm gonna put one in the thermos to have it later. It's successful, I think. I'm gonna take it to the hall right now so my colleagues can enjoy them. Fresh out of oven, yay! Don't worry, I didn't forget about my concert clothes. It's just very cold outside right now, so I'm gonna actually change my pants there at the Geffen Hall. All right, concert time. Today we're playing Elf.
Oh my God! Santa here?
Hi guys.
Hi, hero. How's it going?
Good. You're in my vlog now already.
Oh, sweet. Great.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
That's Julian,
Hi,
and this is
vlog.
Matt.
Hi, vlog.
Happy cookies! Yay!
Thank you for organizing it.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
I don't even know. Wait.
That's a really good line. You'll eat whatever is putting in front of you.
Absolutely.
Are you avoiding my vlog?
Here, right? My camera do turn.
I love how there's a little takeout box. Second plate. Do you usually eat before concert? I'm sorry I'm forcing you to talk.
I would eat during concerts if I could.
Hi, Yunbin.
The noodles have been a hit on cam.
Yeah.
We're shopping for cookies. Excuse. Wow, she's so strong. Ow! Let it go. Let it go.
That's already cut.
Hi, Auntie. How's it? 吃起来有点像面粉。
像绿豆糕。
绿豆糕，这是什么台湾人的那个聚会吗？他们说我做的饼干很像绿豆椪，里面没有绿豆啊。没有串通好。I made the tomato soup.
That's awesome. So glad that
Good evening, everyone. This is the 5-minute call. 5 minutes to concert start.
5 minutes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I finished playing my concert and now it's my long time. No video, no filming, no talking, just me, myself, and my TV. Yeah, I really appreciate you watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Bye!